So far, we have seen how to launch Chrome browser. I will recap it once again. Okay. After creating Maven project, first of all, we have to check the compiler and the jar files. So here, make sure you have 1.8 as selected. If not, uncheck this checkbox that you will get here 1.8 to select from it. Okay. Next thing is go to Java build path, go to libraries, and here make sure you have JRE system library as 1.8 version. Okay. If the JRE system library is 1.5, just remove it, add library, then click on JRE system library, click on next, click on finish. Then the latest JRE system library as per 1.8 will be added here. Apply, click on apply and close. So we have done the basic structure of Maven project. Then we have created package in src test java because src main java, src main resources belongs to developers. So we are creating src test java. So we are creating package in src test java. So right click on it, go to new, go to package. So write the name of the package. Please make sure the package name should be lowercase. If you type uppercase, then uh, there will be an error message stating that the name usually starts with lowercase. Okay, make sure you are writing in lowercase. So after writing, click on finish. I have created the package already, like my pack. Okay, so in my pack I have created class. Right click on the package, click on new, click on class. So always remember class name starts with uppercase. So I have created test1 class. I have taken main method, okay, in test1, and I clicked on finish. Then the class is created. Okay, I have written code to launch Chrome browser. Okay, this is the code to launch Chrome browser. So here webDriver manager dot Chrome driver Chromium driver dot setup. So I have changed. So webDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. It will get the it will download the latest Chrome driver software. Okay. The next code is Chrome driver. So I am creating object to Chrome driver class. Okay. With the help of constructor method, Chrome driver constructor method, so that it can use the Chrome driver software to launch the Chrome browser. I will run it again. Just click on save and click on run button. Yeah, I have successfully launched the Chrome browser. Okay, we will now see how to launch Firefox browser. So I'm closing this. Right click on my pack, click on new. How to create a class? Right click on my pack, click on new, click on class. So name is I am taking test2. I am taking the main method. You can delete the comments. Yeah. So we are ready to write the program to launch Firefox. So what is the code? So we are writing the code for Firefox. Download latest Gecko driver software. So what is the driver software name for Firefox? Gecko driver. Okay. WebDriver manager dot. See, you will find Firefox driver here. So in WebDriver manager class, where there is a method called Firefox driver. Okay. Dot setup. So what this will do? So it will download the latest Gecko driver software. Okay. The next line of code we are writing for creating object to Firefox driver class. Okay. Open Firefox browser using that Gecko driver software. Okay. So we are creating object for Firefox driver so that it can use the Gecko driver to launch the Firefox browser. So WebDriver manager belongs to WebDriver. Okay, WebDriver manager jar. Firefox driver belongs to Selenium. Okay, so I have imported both the classes and click on save, click on run button. First time it will take some time because it has to download the Firefox driver. Yeah, so make sure you have the latest browsers installed in your system because the WebDriver manager will download the latest browser software only. Okay, so I have launched the Firefox browser successfully. Now we will launch other browser. So I am creating class test3 and taking the main method. Now we will launch Edge browser. Okay, just copying the comments from here. So I have to launch Edge driver software. I have to download Edge driver software first. So what is the code? WebDriver manager dot Edge driver method dot setup. So it will download the latest Edge driver software. Next thing, so we have to open Edge browser using that Edge driver software. Okay, so Edge driver equal to new Edge driver. Okay, so this is the code. So WebDriver manager belongs to WebDriver manager jar. Edge driver belongs to Selenium. Okay, I have successfully imported. Click on save, click on run. Yeah, successfully we have launched Edge browser also. Now we will try to launch Opera browser. Okay, click on my pack, right click on my pack, click on new, click on class, test4, take the main method, click on finish, remove the comments, I'm copying the comment from here. So download the latest Opera driver software, and so next line of code will be open Opera browser using Opera driver software. So what is the code? WebDriver manager dot opera dot setup. Okay, so it will download the latest Opera driver. Please make sure that you have the latest Opera browser installed in your system. If that was not the latest, please update the browsers in your system. Okay, Opera driver, I'm creating the object, sorry, driver object for Opera driver class, new Opera driver constructor method. Okay, so import, so Opera driver also belongs to Selenium. Click on save, click on run. So it will take some time to download the latest driver. Yeah, successfully we have launched the Opera browser. Now we will see how to launch Internet Explorer browser. Right click on new, click on class, I'm taking as test 5, take an main method. Yeah, so I'm copying the comments from fourth program. Yeah, so yeah, so what is the code? WebDriver manager dot IE driver dot setup. Okay, so that will be for the Internet Explorer. Okay, so it will download the latest IE driver software, so it will help to launch the Internet Explorer browser. Okay, so what is the code? So I am creating object for Internet Explorer driver, so it is the class name and object name is driver, that equal to new Internet Explorer driver constructor method. Okay, this also belongs to Selenium. Yeah, click on save, click on run. Yeah, we have launched the latest Internet Explorer. Okay, yeah, so like this you can launch different types of browsers, okay, using Selenium. But please make sure that you have the latest and updated browser software installed in your systems. Okay, so that it will download the latest IE driver software. So if you don't have the latest browsers in your system, then it won't work. Okay, because the driver software that was downloaded will be the latest version always. Okay, yeah.